So this one, Ashtavakra, in the beginning, those who heard the introduction, it is said that it is a unique scripture because Janaka gets it in the chapter 1, you see. And chapter 2 onwards, it is like a conversation between two sages. So Janaka has also realized himself just by the power of the verses and the power of the presence of Ashtavakra, you see. And chapter 2 onwards, it is a conversation between two sages. But in the introduction it was said that Ashtavakra also tests Janaka and tests his realization, so to speak. So it sounds like a bit of fun. So can we sample a bit of chapter 2? So chapter 2 is the joy of self-realization. And the first verse, Janaka says, I am now spotless and at peace, awareness beyond consciousness. Look at that. All this time I have been duped by illusion. How beautiful. No? First words to speak after the initial question are with such clarity. I am now spotless and at peace. Spotless, attributeless. Peace of the kind which is beyond this phenomenal peace, which can come and go. That which is unchanging, unmoving, that kind of peace. Then he says, awareness beyond consciousness. So, the distinction between the two questions, can you stop being now, which makes it clear that I am, but are you aware now, takes you even deeper to this recognition. I am that awareness which is even prior to consciousness. And the first thing that Janaka says are these words. I am now spotless and at peace, awareness beyond consciousness. All this time I have been duped by illusion. Just like this, we see that it's always been this, but I was just feeling like I was just believing myself to be just this object in this realm. You see? So this appearance of this illusion, the appearance of this Maya, then duped me with the appearance of these thoughts which were believed. So that is why the ego is the greatest con artist, you see. You're watching one scene from this movie called The Revolver, and if you haven't seen it yet, you will never see it, so I'll spoil it for you. Where the ego is the villain. You see? And they say that the greatest con that this villain has ever pulled is to convince you that you are that. So this con artist, this duping artist has been playing here, and we seem to have got into this pretense of personhood. Once we see that actually I am that awareness which is even prior to consciousness, which is aware even of consciousness, you see, then all this play of the individual, play of the body-mind, you see, all of this seems very natural. I am now spotless and at peace, awareness beyond consciousness. All this time I have been duped by illusion. He continues to say, by this light alone, the body and the universe appear. I am everything or nothing, no thing. You see? As God, as consciousness, I am everything. You see? As that in which even God is born, I am that no thing. You see? You see? So not the nothing, and I make this point over and over because I know that the mind can grab onto these things and make it seem scary. That, oh, you don't want to become nothing, do you? You don't want to become nothing. But this is the no thing, you see, from which all things come. So how full must that be? Full of potential and yet not limited by the potential. Because even when the potential expresses itself as this manifest universe, that which it came from, this awareness, remains untouched. It is not that awareness became tired now using up all the potential of this manifest creation. You see? It remains exactly the same, untouched and unmoved. You see? So, I am everything, which means I am consciousness or nothing actually. No thing, this awareness. You see? And it is by this light alone that this body, you see, and the universe appear. I have often said that actually it is the universe, the manifest universe, which is the body of consciousness. You see, because there is no separation. You see? So the better way to say my body would say that this manifest universe is my body. Then see where doership goes. Once you start to look at things like this, then see what happens to doership. Out the window.